Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. And today is Tuesday, August the 13th of 2019. I went to Rite Aid and I got a bunch of blue things here. Okay, so this is a really sad ad this week for me. I'm just not feeling it, anything in here. And I went in the store trying to find anything to get, and I looked around and it just wasn't that much. But I was walking through the paper aisle and noticed that these Cottonelle were on clearance for half price, and we had dollar off coupons. So let me show you. Look, one's for the other one. I dropped it here. Okay, this coupon came in a Smart Source a while back. I know it says on any 6 or more rolls. Now this is a 4 roll equals 8 rolls, and I've used them before, and I know that as long as it whatever, and the Charmin works this way too, whatever it says for the equals the large amount, so this is like having 8 rolls, that this coupon would work. It scanned just fine. I'll show you my receipt. Okay, so I have 4 coupons for those. They only have 4 on the shelf. Well, I was looking at it and I was like, I knew about the Kimberly-Clark Catalina offer. If you spend $25 on Kimberly-Clark paper products, you get back $5 Catalina. I did get the $5 Catalina back. Okay, so there was that. Okay, so I was like, and then I noticed tags on the shelf hanging on this and a few of these other products that said for a bonus cash offer, spend $15, you get back $3 in bonus cash. And that's a monthly deal. It's supposed to run until August the 31st. I double checked the tags. I didn't get the bonus cash offer back. Okay, so I'm gonna have to talk to customer service. So I don't know what the deal is there and why I don't even have any tracking. So it's not, I got 3 different products that all 3 of them were tagged for the deal. So these Kleenex wipes here, and then we've got this coupon right here that came in the same insert with that Cottonelle. 3 Kleenex or Kleenex wipes. Okay, so actually, now that I read this coupon, it says 3 boxes of Kleenex or 1 Kleenex wipes. So actually, I got one more coupon. I was thinking I had to do 3 of these as well. Okay, anyways, yeah, well, so it's even a better deal. So you could use, I could have used 3 of these coupons on these, right? And then, I got this 3-pack of Kleenex, and I've used these coupons before because I was like, there's 3 boxes of Kleenex in there. 1 coupon will work on one of those because it's got 3 boxes in it. I've done that before with them too, and that's why, with that coupon on that. Okay, anyways, yeah, that would have been, well, I have this 1 coupon. I'll do a post coupon and get 75 cents back for that. Okay, so, yeah, so there were 4 of these, so I was like, okay, that's a little over $10 for those, and what else can I get maybe to get to the $25 and also do the bonus cash deal 2 times, and get, $6 total back if I hit 30, right? So, and I was looking at the Kleenex and everything. So this is what was supposed to happen, but like I said, I just didn't get my bonus cash back. The Catalina offer, the monthly bonus cash offer. So the Kleenex were not on sale. The regular price was $6.99. I just got my gold discount right there. I used 75-cent coupons for those. The Cottonelle on clearance for $2.59. Used dollar coupons. And the Kleenex wipes, they're on sale too for $3, but I got 3 of them. They all ring up for $1.50 each. And of course, I only have 1 75-cent coupon there, but I could have used 2 more 75-cent coupons apparently. Okay, so I used $7 in coupons. Oh, plus my mom's card got a 4 off a $20 purchase coupon in the mail. And so I had that as well, and I used that. There it is right there. Okay, 4 off 20. So actually it came out to be a little less than this, but I didn't get my $6. Okay, so it would have been, all of this added up to $31.63, and then how much ever coupons off you got, and and then if you get $6 back, okay, and then I got the $5 Cottonelle, at least that part worked. And then I submitted for Ibotta. So Kleenex, there's 50 cents back. You can do it up to 5 times on Kleenex. The Cottonelle had, what was it back on the Cottonelle? 50 cents on the Cottonelle, I think. I didn't write that down. On each of those, okay? And then 75 cents back, was it on each of the Kleenex wipes or something, whatever they are, the Ibotta bonuses. It all added up, plus I had 10 cents on any receipt, so I should get $6.10 back from Ibotta for all of this stuff as well, which would take it down to $7.53. Plus, I should have gotten some allergy reward tracking for buying Kleenex products, and these wipes have worked for the allergy reward tracking. So down here on the bottom of my receipt, that's the allergy reward tracking I've had for quite some time. It's just there, and there's nothing here, giving me any, talking about doing the monthly deal. And that's why I went back. I used my $10 in bonus cash. I went back and checked the tags, and they said it was a monthly deal, because I thought, oh well, maybe here's where the dollar coupons worked on that Cottonelle. So even if you just wanted to get the Cottonelle for $1.59, that might be a good deal for you. Yeah, and then here's the Kleenex. To see the 75-cent coupon works on, well, the other ones, yeah, because I could have used 2 more coupons. Okay, and then there's the 75-cent coupons attaching to to these. Okay. Anyways, that's what I did. So I'm gonna have to talk to customer service and see what I can do. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.